expand. Okay, this is 2x minus 3 to the 4. So how many coefficients do I need? 5. So you can go back to Pascal's triangle right away. Let's see which row, not that one, this one. Which is the row that has 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our binomial coefficients will be 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Okay, I'm going to write that down so I don't have to go back again. Right. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Okay, now our terms are not as simple as just x and y, right? We got 2x and we've got negative 3. Those are the terms of the binomial. So we have to say the first term should be whatever this is raised to the 4th power. So that's 2x to the 4th, right? And there's no negative 3 in that term. It's all the first term raised to the 4th power. Now, the next term will have, let's see, don't do that to me. The next term will have 2x to the 3rd power, and make sure that that to the 3rd power is like outside parentheses, because it's going to be 2 to the 3rd and x to the 3rd. And it's negative 3 to the 1st power. And the next term will be 2x squared, negative 3 squared. The next term will have 2x to the 1st and negative 3 to the 3rd. And the last term will have negative 3 to the 4th. And then the only thing missing now, binomial coefficients, which are 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Yeah.
In the book, it has the exponent in the parentheses, like 4, 6, 2x squared minus 4.
Okay. Where?
They're in the parentheses. Is that like a different step in what you're doing?
No, they aren't like here, 2x to the 4th. That's not in the parentheses. That one, it didn't matter. There's only one number. This one, there's 2 numbers. It had to be outside. Okay? So now there's still some simplifying to do here, right? I mean, this is going to be 2 to the 4th, which is 16 x to the 4th. And then the next term, actually shouldn't do that. Edit, undo, edit, undo. The next term is going to be 4 times 2 to the 3rd times negative 3. That's going to be the actual coefficient of that term. So that's 2 to the 3rd is 8. 4 times 8 is 32. 32 times negative 3, negative 96. So it's minus 96 x to the 3rd. Right. The next term will be 6 times 2 squared times negative 3 squared. That's 954 times 4, 216. So that's plus. Come on, don't do this. Plus 216 x squared. The next term will be 4 times 2 times negative 3 to the 3rd. So that would be 8 times negative 27, which is negative 216. And that has x to the 1st. And then the last one will be negative 3 to the 4th, which is 81. So notice that because it was minus 3, so the second term was negative, it makes the terms flip sign. So it's positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. I think in the textbook, what they do is they say, well, the second term, we'll just call it 3, positive 3, and then we'll just flip all the signs. That's why it shows like that. But I think you're safer to just say it's negative 3 and then deal with the sign. Yeah. You should be able to make the triangle anytime. Nobody memorizes the triangle. You sit down and you start making numbers. You should be able to make Pascal's triangle. Okay?